2025 Honda Ridgeline. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, rear air conditioning. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.